Beautifying the world starts from our home itself, and I believe that one's home should be an ideal example of his or her own passion or his or her own field of interest. Hello everyone, this is Prerna and you're all watching Crimson Crafts. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you to hang on here. Let me tell you that I am a student learning art past 7 years, and in the recent 2-3 years I have developed interest in home decor DIYs. So today I have got 2 Indian ethnic looking decor items to enhance your house. All the products links are provided in the description box. You may also purchase them from easycraft. So now, without any further delay, let's get into the video now. Here are some short clips of the DIYs I'll be showing you today. So guys, in the first DIY, I'm going to make a madhubani lamp, and for that I have taken an ivory sheet. You may also take any thick paper, and I have drawn 2 circles of 10 cm radius. And with the help of a compass, I am making any random design. Basically here I have chosen a madhubani design, and you may find the link of this design from the description box. You may also use some other designs as reference image. Even they are also given in the description box. Now with the help of a pencil, I am simply drawing out the design. So guys, I have completed the drawing part, and now I am coloring it out with sketch pens. If you wish to, you may also use poster color, but preferably I would suggest you to use sketch pens because that would make the work much more neater as well as brighter. So now I have prepared 2 of them like this, and I am going to outline it with a gel pen. Outlining it with a gel pen always gives a neater and detailed look. So make sure that you outline your gel pen in any kind of artwork. Here are the 2 sides of the lamp. Now I am taking any kind of waste sheet and I am going to roll it into a stick. For this you may use kulfi stick or broomstick. And just like this, I am rolling out the paper stick, and now I am going to secure the edges with normal Fevicol. I have prepared 2 of them like this for the 2 sides. Now I am just flattening it up so that it will be easy to stick. Now with the help of a glue, I am going to stick it in the bottom half of the lamp. So guys, naturally the upper half is going to be open, and that's the place where the bulb or the candle is going to be loaded. So I have made 2 of them like this, and now I have taken another piece of ivory paper that is of 12 cm breadth, and again with the help of a sketch pen I am making any random design. You may be creative and give some alteration to your design. So guys, I have done the same design on the top and bottom, and this is how it looks after sticking. I have secured it with jute rope, and I have also added the bottom part, and this is the night view. It really looks very elegant. Do try it out right now. So let's move on to our second DIY, that is this ethnic wall decor plate. So guys, I thought to upcycle the lid of a broken plastic container container. So I'm going to upcycle that in this DIY, and I wanted to give a woody texture, and I actually saw the design in a magazine. So first we have to give a coat of texture white, gesso, or if you don't have any of these, you can use acrylic paints. This is acrylic paints and this is camel texture white. You may give one coat of texture white or 2 coats of acrylic color using a flat brush or a sponge. So guys, now I have done a layer of POP and water. So basically in any random proportion you may add a coat of POP and water just to give the woody texture. And with the help of a pencil I'm drawing out the design. Basically it's a kalamkari work. It's a very famous kalamkari painting that I found in a magazine, and I wanted to put it on a piece of wood looking like artifact. So to give this kind of texture I have majorly used my hand only, and in certain places I have used modeling tools. If you wish to know how do you do this, let me know in the comment section. I would surely make sure to include this in my next tutorial. Now I am using acrylic colors to paint out certain portions. The reference image of this kalamkari painting is also there in the description box. Guys, now I have completed the painting portion and the woody texture is looking really very good, and that's my favorite part. I have done all the detailing and coloring part with Fevilite acrylic color shades of 6, that is non-toxic, and it is for 80 rupees. So guys, I have also done the outlining using a brush, but if you wish to and you're not confident enough to do that, you may also use a permanent marker. Now make sure that you seal your artwork with Art Fina's Artist Picture Varnish, that is gloss removable, and it is for 250 rupees. And guys, this is a spray one. If you want, you may also use liquid one. For that I would suggest you to use Camel's Artist Picture Varnish. And after that, make sure that you hang your artwork with magnets. You may hang it on metal surface, or you may use such stationery clips that you get in market. So here's the final reveal. The artwork has really come out beautifully. So guys, that's all for today. I do really hope that you liked this video. If you like it, make sure that you like, share, comment and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. I'll meet you once again on the same channel. Till then, happy crafting!